Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we will address the issue of an Android phone getting stuck on the setup wizard. We've noticed reports from users on forums about their Android phones getting stuck at this stage. According to these reports, the problem usually occurs after a factory reset or a system update. It's a frustrating issue for many users, but if your phone is stuck on the setup wizard screen, don't worry, this video will help you fix it. Please watch carefully and try all the methods. This video applies to phone models from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. If you want to know how to get past the setup wizard on your Android phone, you've come to the right place. We've compiled several simple and effective methods to help you resolve this issue. If the first method doesn't work, feel free to try the others. One of them is bound to work for your device. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment letting us know which method solved the problem for you. Method 1. Force restart your Android phone. A force restart is a good first step for any issue, including getting stuck on the setup wizard. The problem might simply be caused by a minor software glitch, which a force restart can often resolve. So, let's try force restarting your phone. To force restart your Android phone, press and hold the specific key combination for your device. For the Samsung phone shown here, the combination is the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold the combination for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the brand logo appears on the screen, and the phone will restart automatically. Once the restart is complete, your phone should open to the lock screen or home screen, resolving the setup wizard issue. Method 2. Connect to a different network. Your current internet connection could be the reason your phone is stuck in a setup wizard loop. To fix this, try disconnecting from your current network and connecting to a different one, such as a mobile hotspot. After connecting to a different network, try again to see if you can bypass the setup wizard. Method 3. Clear the cache partition. As your Android phone runs, the system automatically caches files to improve performance for future use. The issue of an Android phone getting stuck in a setup wizard loop may be caused by problematic cache files. To troubleshoot this, try booting your phone into recovery mode to wipe the cache partition. Please follow these steps. Connect your phone to a computer. Ensure the phone is powered off and wait at least 30 seconds. Then, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Do not release the buttons during this process. Use the volume down button to highlight the wipe cache partition option, then press the power button to select it. Next, use the volume down button again to select yes and press the power button to confirm. After a few seconds, the Reboot System Now option will appear. Press the power button to confirm. Once the phone restarts and you complete the setup process, the issue of the phone being stuck on the setup wizard after a factory reset will be resolved. Method 4. Perform a factory reset. If wiping the cache partition does not work, you will need to perform a factory reset to fix the issue of being unable to get past the setup wizard. This is the final method you can try. However, a factory reset will erase all data on your Android phone. Therefore, if you need the data currently on the phone, please back it up beforehand, otherwise, all data will be lost. To perform a factory reset, connect your phone to a computer. Ensure the phone is powered off and wait at least 30 seconds. Then, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Do not release the buttons during this process. In recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option, then press the power button to confirm. Next, use the volume down button again to select the factory reset option and press the power button to confirm by selecting yes. This will trigger the reset process, which takes only 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once finished, you will be returned to the same recovery mode screen. Then, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will restart, and you should be able to complete the setup process normally. Once setup is complete, the issue of being unable to get past the initial Android setup wizard will be resolved. As a final step, restore your backed up data to the Android phone. Method 5. Seek assistance from after-sales support. If the methods mentioned above fail to restart the setup wizard on your Android device, even after several attempts, you should take your phone to the nearest authorized service center to have them address the setup wizard loop issue. If they are unable to resolve the problem, you might want to consider replacing the device. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful and enjoyed the content, please like and share the video, and let us know in the comments which method worked for you. We also welcome your feedback and suggestions for improvement in the comments section. Thank you, and good luck.